card away. From Chicago O'Hare. Me checking in with my Ghana card.
Abuja from Mamunya Makwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV so. But all this will be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Next time. Videos of this nature about also sabit my cabin. So watch your comment section. Maybe whom you from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section or by be about whom you from Mr. President and Major also. For you need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na what to I'm more ready. The need to Sudan say man we need that to be na the be a mechanism be say amanya some ye no. So what money under wa who bet you the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, mommy enko. Yenko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
So like play, Mahama no open any job. like play. You know, open like zero job, zero. Hey, this is what they try. If you so no talk up and down, they go, hey, no job for the boys, nothing, no factory. Hey, Charlie, no, you know now come to think of it, I feel say deliberately no, like no orchestrate say embrepo, no like brain yeah, politicians. Like play. How many years? We did 2026, so 2027, 2028, we did vote. No factory open yet. You know, be this NDC, no, the opposition, they say sugar factory, Akufa no they open. Like this, they go, they come. Hey, but I know if you open the sugar factory finish. We go 2027. We go 2027, we cross half man to bad man. Hey. Many men say, why the cars are men say na kubolo? You see too much. And the mattress. The beer is changwa. Ne money. Biscuit na there. Ye pay juma yo. Ti me move for bro when ya grow. Ye no so e be juma kakra no. Omo ba no mo be hwan. Hey. Ghana for shine one eye. I feel say for gather some vim be then organize. Make A+, we push A+. I like that motherfucker. Hey, on obey Jumano, so muadie, obey Jumano. Ye pobi obey Jumano. Umuadie cry a pay. Mahama to be a Jumae. And this won't be a Jumae. Almost so much almost see car, almost see and for Jumano. Then I buy, I say, do run in your ace. Jeez, my fucking ass country. Hey, Idiagro. If you see Konenim 2026, no, yeah, pay some backward century. I say, yeah, quite cheap. Hey,
yet your man Harry na Bruce Muji double salary, and I don't know mobile. And I do on your Shekurano, Mukochum, or my appointments when I'm one more coachum. Monsieur Yankasa, the question I Ghana will be someone say. Women Development Bank na wehi. Eko kwa mosimo de mo amkoko nketinketi. En confirm 2 yard ano. En azo nkoko nketinketi no. Mo say mufu soldiers na atwa videos abramo. Say nkoko no makumo mare. Na ka o ma na akoko mienu asa akoko miensa no. Onfa onu ni sika obeto adwane adi no. Onfa no nto adwane ma akoko mienu no ho. Ekoko mienu. So person wo boa obi invest to obi life. Is it not an insult? So be bet ye campaign ato abama ono akoma na akoko mienu. Na akoko ba akoko esen. Akoko ba. Na no ti no kodnya wiem to ababa. Akoko ba nti na Ghana fo kodnya wiem to abama. Akoko ba mienu. Na de man se mama akoko nketenkete fa akoko obra. Manti mama ne preko, manti mama na kwanche. Akoko. Eti no to abama mo. and you think it's funny. Mo be pay bi na moye no. Mo arresting crofo. Thinking say Ghana for be start to Obama. Me say mo Bamba president man 6 times. Just the next time NPP is coming back to power. It's more than monkey come on him nsem. Ghana for na come. Ghana for him. Ghanaians are hungry. It me say baby Edru na esa time yi chairman fokumu efi party nim no. Na Ghana for comedy om. Baby entman stop NPP from winning. It's more than say NPP for kon. It almost say NPP will be in opposition again. Mo de dada mo ho. Me kwa koda. Na minister na o say mo full soldiers video nkokọ na bra mo so mo kun nkokọ na ewe no. Time so a e na obehu. Agric minister, me say time so a me akra na me point say wo ye mechi nkotum wo bekọ. Ye be jelu. Ti woni ma be nkokọ no wo na akọpa mo sambra. Nkofo kuma we wa akoto bibre mo. Sa akọkọ de John story number 2 ache nkofo. We di sika na wie no. No aka say kumare. Na
obeti atechem. Wo suro se obekọ ti bi amanfo wo na ye tua uka o taxpayers money e na ye di tua uka. Ghana for one ma yen sense form papa. One ma Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya adaje ko sell lie eto Abasama o because wo betena so for good 12 years. Wo be ye vice president. Ema wu jade atamos ewu ye. Yedisa show nsama wo buye wo wie wo se wo nye president da. Ema ye vote ma wo ma wo be di 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a we twa 4 years chinchina ye sama wo mra se a wo be twa 12 good years. Wo tumi nye hwe. Wo promises en kokon ketenkete omo adwane en confirm a wo di ba ya omo kọ Burkina. Koko fu a wo promise wo say wo betu ebula ama koko farmers bia wo baye wo beti koko no so ewum wo nsan so ntua ka wo firi omo koko wo di omo ka wo baye wo si agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo si market aye abeifo ko di dwa na access amanfo ko di dwa wo ye nti ase wo be sori e na wo si market ne bathroom wo he Efri Kwame Nkrumah time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada o ewo mu edi dada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyinani efri wo so nyame nsan ni wo so. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mun kwa mo party. Me say balok di we chi no. Ghana for ansha. This 2 years aka ahuhie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komo no. Esum bi mbada. Esu bi mbada o.
Bibia asay wo hwe your sports say hwe Black Stars afi Black Stars omuntimi hwe goal biom
Wa ni incompetence na ewo nu mu no wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency. Aye, ye the World Cup na be fie Brasters ya she goals say woto e bin see that.
What be man ko foforo. Won fa ma assembly. Won fa ma sanitation bio. Anya wa. Sa sanitation for this sika. Ya kwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nye hwe. Na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for. Na wo je ye no. Anya wa. Sako hwe sako shi ta. Nso tonshina baby shi. Hey! Who ya deal? Nkwa ho ba eja hihie. Hey Mr. Pad. Unya ba perfect intro. Esa wo pad. Saka wide. Udu se pad na be ye bibia mo. took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Ojene da no. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bawumia ye de ma oman we ya. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we na me ye ma mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yenime because of time. But those ones yetimi we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi say oh, I mean say we say NPP for ya comfort. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what the hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort. You say anya Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntum asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntum ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 dua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them go watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi, me na me go catch you Rajon Dramani Mahama say all members come to Butu one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba, o mo ma mo kinki, amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the Rajon Dramani Mahama could not and can form Gafun catch up say, oh, Gafun, oh, now what they are making and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, and you now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Fiums, hey, Remona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.